This is what is the last entry that we have completed. That is in 2003, the first entry. Is that right? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
Okay. So that is in 2003, royalty account data 22,500 and two short workings 2,500 and two landlord account 20,000. So this is what we have did. And now we'll move on to the one more journal entry. See. Okay, I'll back with this. One second. Yes, see. This is what is accounting treatment with minimum rent and without minimum rent. So as we are preparing with minimum rent, so the problem is belongs to with minimum rent, as they have told you to prepare what? As they have told you to prepare the minimum rent account. And in the last class itself, we have completed this analytical table and the journal entries till what? Till 2003. That too first entry we have completed, that is royalty payable that we have completed. Here the one thing you have to get to know is that, yes, see, look into it very clearly. Royalties in the books of lessee, that is condition 2, when minimum rent account is required. Here, when royalty is less than the minimum rent, then only the minimum rent account you can see. Okay, then only you can see what? Then only you can see the minimum rent account. If actual royalty is more than the minimum rent, if actual royalty is more than the minimum rent, which means this one. Okay, look into it. If the actual royalty is more than the minimum rent, in this case, okay, then you need not to write what? You need not to write the minimum rent account, because you have already completed. Like, see, you are paying more than that. You are paying what? See, in this 2004, see, you are paying more than what? More than the royalty. So minimum rent account will not come. So minimum rent account will not come. Only the royalty, as we were taking in the last problems. Okay, the same entries has to be taken care. That is royalty account data, two short workings account, two landlord account, and again payment account, payment of royalty. Okay, like that it goes on. Okay, so we're going to start with the problem. So as we have completed with the first one, see, we are in what? We are in 2003, and royalty is more than the minimum rent. Okay, royalty is what? Royalty is more than the minimum rent. That is 22,500 is more than what? Than this 20,000. As it is, royalty is more than the minimum rent. First entry we have completed, that is royalty account data, two short workings account and two landlord account we have done. And next, what is the next entry that we have to record? What is the next entry that we have to record? Guys?
Landlord account data.
Landlord account data to?
Bank account.
Yes, landlord account data to bank account. So what is the narration? Being?
Paid.
Yeah, what paid?
Royalty amount.
Royalty.
Royalty amount paid. Right. Okay. How much he has paid royalty? In 2003, how much he has paid?
22,500. 20.
He has paid 20,000, right? So 22,000 he has earned as he had a short workings. So he
Okay,
just
paid to landlord.
Yes. So 20,000 he paid. Clear with the doubts?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. 20,000, and then we'll move on to the next one, next entry in 2003. Okay, look into that. So when actual royalty is more than the minimum rent, first entry is over, second entry is over, then the next one, which is the entry?
Transfer entry.
What is that?
Production account data.
Yes. Yeah, production. I'm just copying this. Production account data to royalty account. Production account data to royalty account. That is 2003 being royalty transfer to production account. So how much is the amount?
20,000.
23. Just look into it. How much?
2,500.
Just look into the royalty.
22,500.
Okay, I'll just show it to you. In 2003, royalty account data. So how much has been debited?
22,500.
That amount has to be credited. I mean to say, in the credit side, you have to fill it as what? 22,500. This amount has been debited to this. We are transferring. Okay, we are transferring to the production account. So that's what is that. Am I clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
you know, for every debit there must be a corresponding credit. So that's what it is showing. Okay, see, there is a debit entry and there is a credit entry. So both are tallied, right? So like that, you have to make it a thing. If you are not able to understand, like in the in the analytical table. So whatever in the analytical table, it's there in the it's there in this column. Okay, that you have to record in the royalty account. Okay. Then next, after transferring a royalty, is there any irrecover entries in 2003? Is there any irrecover
Yes, ma'am.
entries? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so which journal entry? What is the journal entry that we have to write?
Production account to short working account.
Yes, production account data to short working account.
Short working.
Instead of royalty, I just take it as what? I just take it as what? As a short workings. Production account data to short workings account. So that is 2003. How much has been transferred to production account? How much, the short workings amount, irrecovered amount is how much?
12,500.
Yes. So 12,500. So please participate, everyone participate in the answering session. Okay. So this 12,000. Oh. 1 second. I have to type it. Okay. 12,500. Being what is a narration? Being
Short working
working.
is
yes.
transferred.
Being yes. Short workings.
Irrecovered.
Irrecovered. Very good. Irrecovered. And transferred to
Royal production account.
yes. Transferred to production account. Sorry, 1 second. Recovered to transfer to production. Okay. Okay, then what is the next thing? Next entry. Is there any other entries? Is there any other entries in 2003?
No, ma'am.
No. Then what we have to do?
2004.
2004. Yes. So we have to move on to this 2004. Girls, come on, speak up. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Sure,
Ma'am,
you
where
can.
is that 2,500 go, ma'am? Short working recovered.
Daniel, once come up.
Short working recovered, no, ma'am. In 2003.
Okay.
Oh, you have taken. Okay, ma'am. Fine. I got it.
It's there. It's there here.
Yes, ma'am. I got it, ma'am.
Next. Next in like after 2003, next we have to move on to this 2004. So here in this analytical table, you just tell me guys, so whether it is more than the royalty or less than, more than the minimum rent or less than the minimum rent?
More.
What is the first entry that we have to record it and then? What is the first entry?
Royalty account data.
Yes.
Short working
To
account.
landlord's account.
Yes, good. And please remember, guys, one more thing that you have to understand is that when minimum rent account is required to open, okay, that is in with minimum rent account. So only in the, that is only in the element 1, that is when actual royalty is less than the minimum rent. In that element only you can see what? you can see the minimum rent account. You can see what? Which account? You can see the minimum rent account. Otherwise, so no need to, no need to enter in the minimum rent account in when there is a actual royalty is more than the minimum rent. When actual royalty is more than the minimum rent, you cannot see the minimum rent account here. Am I clear? You cannot see the minimum rent account. Why it is so? Why we cannot see this? So like, because the minimum rent is required only till what? Only till the royalty on production is more. So till then, no need to till then we required to do this minimum rent. Otherwise, it is not. Okay, it is not required. Okay, so hope we'll move on to the next one. That is in 2004, as it is more than the minimum rent. What is the first entry that we have to write? That is royalty account data, 2 short workings and 2 landlord. So just write it, the same entry. Okay, so I just copied the same entry, that is royalty account data, show 2 short workings account and 2 landlord account. 2 landlord account, that is in 2004. Okay, just call one by one. So anyone? Ganvi? Ganvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ganvi. So here, how much of amount I have to record in royalty account data? How much of amount I have to record in royalty account data? The website, how much I have to write? Ganvi, how much I have to record? Ganavi in 2004. Okay. So as it is royalty account data, 2 short workings account and 2 landlord account, it is given. So it is payable entry. So like how much you have to pay in 2004? Ganavi? Okay. Afnan? Afnan? No one? Kishan? Lata? Come up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Lata. Lata, how much I have to record?
For royalty account to
Ah.
short workings, ma'am.
Royalty account data?
25,000.
25,000. Good. So we have to record how much? We have to record 25,000. So royalty account data 25,000.
Ma'am, 2 short working, it should not come, no, ma'am.
Yeah,
Because in
yeah,
2004,
yes.
short working is not there.
Yes. So as the short working is not there, so we should not record this short workings. As there is no short workings, we should not record it. Good. Okay. So then how much it has to be payable to landlord? It is 25,000. Am I clear? Okay. Then, so what is the narration?
Royalty payable.
Yes, being royalty payable. Okay. So after 2004, that is 2005, sorry, 2004, like after the payable entry, what is the next thing?
Being royalty payable.
Being royalty payable over, then after the payable entry.
Landlord account data to bank account.
Yes, Daniel.
Royalty paid.
Yes. Being production account data to landlord
No,
account.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. So I'm just checking whether you people are, awake or not. Am I right? I have to ask
Okay,
now.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So Ganvi unable to hear properly, ma'am. Is that so? Even Shashank, ma'am, short workings won't come in 2004. Yes, Shashank, you are right. Shashank, you can speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So how much you have to pay to landlord?
25,000, ma'am.
25,000.
Yes, 25,000. So in the credit side, you have to write what? Sorry.
25,000.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm just writing. Typing, but where it is going? Oh. Second. 25,000. Okay, that's good. Landlord account data to bank account. So we have paid the amount. So after the payment entry, what is the
Transfer
next
entry.
entry? Yes,
Transfer
transfer
entry.
entry. Yes, transfer entry. Okay, Ganvi, that's
Production
okay.
account data
Ah,
to royalty account.
yes, production account data to royalty account. Production account data
Being
to
royalty,
royalty account. You are
transferred.
transferring the royalty to production
Royalty
account,
to
right?
production account.
Yes. How much you are transferring?
25.
Yes, 25,000. You are transferring 25,000. And I told you to, give a notes, submit your notes on 30th, but no one has submitted. Okay, so I'll just come to that point. So here, after this royalty transfer to production account, what is the next thing that we have to do? What is the next thing that we have to do? Yes, come on.
That's all, ma'am.
Production to start working.
Is there any
That's
irrecover
it, no,
entries?
ma'am.
Is there
No,
any?
ma'am. That's
no.
it.
Yes. So that's it. So we don't have what? We don't have any other entries. So just I'll delete it. So then here, after writing a journal entry, what is the thing that we have to prepare here? Dead rent account, royalty account, short workings account, and
Short working
landlord
account,
account.
landlord account.
Yes, in the books of Ganesh Mining Company, right? So here actually they have told you to prepare directly. Okay, directly we have to prepare what? Directly we have to prepare this minimum rent account, royalty, short workings, landlord account. But it is very difficult to write the ledger account without knowing the journal. Okay, without knowing the journal.
Dead
it's
rent
very-
account means minimum account. Ma'am.
Yes, dead rent account means minimum rent account. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So when they have told you directly, that is you have to prepare the minimum rent account, but it's very difficult to do what? It's very difficult to do the ledger account without knowing the journal. So what I suggest you is that, so whenever they have told you like this, okay, so prepare directly. So do not journalize nothing they have told, like they have told you to, prepare accounts. So what you have to do is you just have to take a pencil and you have to write the journal entries in a additional sheet or working sheet. Okay, then you just prepare the ledger account. That's totally fine. Is that okay?
Ma'am, if you directly consider in the answer sheet also, they'll consider. No, ma'am?
Yeah, they'll consider. That's not a worry. If you are thorough with the ledger account, then go for it. Okay, if you are thorough with the journal, if you're thorough with the ledger accounts, go for it. There is no,
No, ma'am. I'm asking about ledgers only.
ledgers. Yeah, you can just
No,
go
journal.
with the,
Which he
if
did
you write also,
right
there
now,
is
no, ma'am.
no,
Journal.
yeah, if you write also, there is no, there is no mistake. But thing is, they won't give you a marks. Like if you write
Okay,
in a
ma'am.
systematic manner, it takes you time. It takes you time.
Yes, ma'am.
That I'm saying. Okay. And moreover,
Okay.
as I have told you, as I have attended for orientation, orientation, they have told that, so they'll give only without minimum rent. Okay, they just told that they'll only give without minimum rent, but we don't know, and we cannot. We cannot. The Bangalore University, it's just they'll just give
Miracle.
Yeah, they'll do miracle and they'll give whatever they want. So I'm not able to take this. I don't want to take the chance. So I'm just doing with minimum rent also. Only one problem I'm just doing. It is the same. If I keep doing the 2-3 problems board for you, it will be a board. So I just took a one problem. So I have included all the all the adjustments here itself. So it is the same. Okay. And okay, so now we'll go to prepare the dead rent. We're going to prepare the dead rent. 1 second. Give me a second. Yes. Okay, I'll just copy it because I have just prepared for, for the C section also, same thing. Okay. Is it visible? No, right? Okay, I'll just. Now, so as we are preparing a minimum rent account, so here it is a debit side, okay? Minimum rent account. So minimum rent account means it is a ledger account, okay? Okay, done. So now what is the first thing that we have to record here? Okay, what is the first entry? Minimum rent account. Okay, is there any related entries here related to minimum rent? Is there any related entries?
Minimum rent account to landlord account.
Yes, minimum rent account data to landlord account. There is a first entry which is related to minimum rent. So minimum rent account debited or credited?
Debited, ma'am.
Debited.
So debited with how much?
20,000.
20,000.
20,000. Very good. So debited with 20,000. So as we are preparing a minimum rent account, in the debit side, you have to write the amount as 20,000. And what is the opposite entry?
To landlord account.
Very good. Very good. To landlord account. I want everyone to answer. So is it 2002 or which one? 2000?
2,000.
2000, ma'am.
2000. Yes, Sharavana. What are you doing? Okay. Then 2000 to landlord account 20,000. Then next. Next entry in 2000 itself. Is there any other entries which is related to minimum rent account? Just look into it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's there, right? It's there here. That is two minimum rent. Okay, one second. So it is debit actually. Oh, it will come here. Okay, make an adjustment here itself. Okay. Okay, so I'll just make this thing, and then there while sending, I just okay, I'll just do it. Okay, tell me two minimum rent account. Two minimum rent account is debited or credited?
Credited.
So credited with how much?
20,000.
So in the credit side of the minimum rent account, we have to write 20,000. But what is the opposite entry? What are the corresponding entries?
Royalty and short working.
Royalty and short working.
Yes, royalty and short working.
Debited, ma'am.
Yes, sir. That's what debited.
By royalty.
Yes, by royalty.
By short working.
Yes, by royalty. And next one is by short working.
Short working.
Yes, by short workings.
Account.
Short workings account. And again here also by royalty account. Please, yes, please do not mistake these things, because you will lose cent marks. You will go to lose the cent marks. So that's what I prefer. I want everyone to get cent marks here. Okay, 10,000 and 10,000. So total how much? Total is
20,000, 20,000.
Before that, you check once. So is there any other entry which is related to minimum rent in 2000?
No, ma'am.
No. Then you just close it. Okay, as it is equal. As it is equal. 1 second. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Class ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್. ಮುಂಚೆನೆ. ಈಗ ನಾನು 1 o'clock ಮುಗಿಸ್ದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 12:30 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. 1:30 ನಾನು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲ 1:15 ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? 1:15 ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ? ಓಕೆ 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 ಸರ್, ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು 12:15 ಕಳಿಸೋಳು, ನಾನು 12:30 ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12:30ನೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿ ನಾನು. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, after this class, please attend Naresh sir class. Naresh sir is also waiting. Okay, so.
You
once
do, ma'am.
again- Yeah, sorry.
You do, ma'am.
Do,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, so then next, after that, what is the next thing? What is
2001,
it?
ma'am.
Okay, in 2001. Okay, in 2001, which is related to minimum rent. Okay, what are the entries which is related to minimum rent account?
Minimum rent
Minimum
account
rent
data
account
to
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 landlord.
landlord
Yes,
account.
minimum rent account data to landlord account. So minimum rent
Landlord
account
account.
debited or
20,000,
credited?
20,000.
Debited.
Yes, very good. Bah, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಣರಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 20,000, 20,000. So
Will do
what is
shag.
the, huh?
Nothing.
Yeah, opposite entry is, what is the opposite entry?
To landlord account.
Yes, to landlord
Landlord account.
account. So you have to write to landlord account. So that is 2001. And again, next. So here it is 2000. 1 second. Yeah, next. To landlord account 2001 I have taken. And again, when it comes to next thing, that is next entry in 2001, is there any other entries which is related to
ma'am.
minimum rent? Yes.
Royalty account data,
Yes.
short working account data to minimum account.
Yes, royalty account data, short workings account, by royalty account and by short workings account I have to write. But when it comes to royalty, how much I have to transfer?
15,000, 5,000.
15,000, 5,000.
Yes, 15,000 and here it is 5,000.
5,000.
Yes. So the totally, so you have to write, as there is no entries, so you have to write what? You have to write
2020.
20,000.
You have to write 20,000 here. Okay, and
That's it.
moreover, in 2002, okay. So in 2002, is there any other entries which is related to minimum rent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is a journal entry again? Minimum rent account data to landlord
To
account.
landlord account.
Yes. So what you will going to write? Same thing, right?
To landlord account, 20,000.
To landlord account. Why it is not? To landlord account 20,000. And what is the thing that I have to record here? See, in 2002.
Royalty account.
Royalty
By
account. By royalty account.
Yes, by royalty account.
Royalty account.
By royalty account. That is
2002.
2002. So how much? 20,000. Right? Is there any other entries which is related to minimum rent account in 2002? Is there any other entries? Just check it
No.
out.
No, ma'am.
No, okay. In any other entries in 2003 which is related to minimum rent?
End of data account, ma'am.
Oh,
End, ma'am.
okay,
Finish.
okay. I'll just close it. So as there is no thing, so yeah, wait till 5 minutes, like when 20,000 and 20,000, I'll record it. So this is out. So minimum rent, there is no minimum rent after that. Okay. So I'll just stop it.